Question 4 says construct a 99% confidence interval for the average annual income. So for this question, we're going to use our interface templates. And since we're going to use confidence interval and it's using one single population and the standard deviation is unknown, we'll use T confidence interval. So our confidence level is 99%. Our sample mean or point estimate, since it's the average annual income, we go to our data and so our point estimate is going to be our average of the annual income. So we take that average and we can plug it in to our template for point estimate. And then what is the sample standard deviation? So R equals ST standard deviation. And then what is the sample size? You can do count. So now that you have this, you can just come over here. So our margin of error would be this number. So we can just reference that. And then our lower limit would be this number. And then our upper limit would be this number. So for part B, it says construct a 99% confidence interval for the proportion of customers having an annual income over 109. So since we're going to be looking at proportions and a confidence interval, we'll pull up our interface templates and look at confidence interval and proportions. So we're only using one proportion, not two. So we'll do one proportion. And it says a 99% confidence level. And then it wants to know for the annual income that's higher than 109. So we have to find out how many times this is true over 109. So we already have the data here. We can just copy it here, sort from lowest to biggest, and then find out how many times there's annual income more than 109. So to do that, we'll do a count formula. So equals count select everything above 109, and it gives us 65. And our sample size is the total number of annual income or annual incomes that we recorded. So we can do a count as well. the totals, or of all, I mean, it should be 100. So there we go. And now this, we can copy it. Here. And then there's that. And now our point estimate is this number. So we can just reference that and change it to a decimal. Our margin of error is this. So we can reference that. Then our lower limit would be here. And then our upper limit is here. So we can just reference that.